Okay, I'm glad to see people are starting to get excited about this. We all have problems, right? So, what I want to say is number one, if you can, get a professional homeopath. You will not be disappointed. They will solve problems for you that you didn't even know you had. So, I would always, look at going that route, getting a professional homeopath to help you. If you're not going to do that, if you can't afford it, they're not that expensive, honestly, but if you want to try things on your own, um, and you have a specific diagnosis, then there is a group on Facebook that I actually admin, and it's called the Banerji Protocol User Group. The Banerji protocols use homeopathic remedies to address specific illnesses, and it was developed by four generations of homeopathic doctors called the Banerjis, and they're still going today. And they have just had a lot of success and have the data behind it to say that if you have the specific diagnosis, here is what we would recommend for helping with that. So the Facebook group is not the Banerjee page, but it is lay homeopathic remedy users and some professional homeopaths who have experience with protocols. And what we do on there is really just share our experience with trying the protocol and then what we've come with it. So, particular for diverticulitis was one specific question. I did want to point. So we've got someone has stated what the protocol was. So it's Staph 200 every third day, that E3D is every third day. And then you're also going to take Lycopodium 200 and Plumbum 200 twice a day. And then there are some instances. So that's the protocol, and you'll keep doing that. There's some kind of guidelines about how you would take a protocol and those kind of things, which I will, if you go to that page, we'll have some information about that. And then as well, sometimes there's like SOS, kind of like if you have a flare up or something's happening, take these remedies. So for bleeding, it advises ferrum phos 3x every 15 minutes. And so someone posted what the protocol was. And then in the comments, what's great about this is, again, we have this large group of homeopathic medicine users. And so we have down here, Cindy, I know you might not be able to see this, but anyway, she said that she used it and it worked really well for her. So this is where the community is around using some homeopathic remedies. If you're on Facebook, that's a good place to go and assess that. So good luck.